Biafra Liberation Army. He don't come outside to contact all Biafra. Say as it they be now. Say for this election. He said the way they want to go meet this Nigeria army for every checkpoint and every corner where they dey. He said no be smart, you know. They come beg Biafra. Say man, everybody go inside if they tell them to do so, because as it they hot. He said na blow to blow. Yeah, my people, mo go find out how they talk this and how it happen. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time we they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If not today na the first time they come across this channel, you know say you never subscribe or follow this page. I don't know what they wait to, because we they here today bring you Ogbonge news as they hot. Okay, my people, let's quickly jump into this matter. We are not going to waste your time today. We are here to tell you what they happen and how they take talk. They bring our videos with proof of waiting person talk. We no cook am by ourselves. I will not by talk. Okay, my people, say one Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside though. He can't say, as they send the Nigeria army to conquer them, say that their work to engage them and make everybody know how they do bukre waka. He can't say that they don't come outside. He say they don't come outside. Say there's no going inside though. He can't send some message, can't give Biafrans. However, we will go bring the video, can show you. May you see how they talk, but watch the video from beginning to end so that you no go miss everything where they talk for this video. So left for you to choose what to do. Okay, my people, let's watch the video together.
Freedom is not given. That freedom is taken not in peace but by force. The good wishes of Biafra, my fellow Biafrans, I want you to understand that we all have the sacrifice to pay. We really have, all of us, as a sacrifice to pay or to make. If you fail to make your own part of sacrifice, do not blame me if my own did not shoot to your own. Because definitely everybody has something to contribute for this freedom. While the saboteurs are fighting their best to stop the restorations of Biafra, and the enemies of Biafra are fighting their best to stop the restorations of Biafra, me and you who wish to be free must also put our very best to disappoint them and to prove them wrong. So therefore, this is the truth. If we fail to protect our lives,
so what he's trying to tell us right now is that
if we fail to do our own part, we will all die. If we